Package detected. Owner looks broke today.
Why is my doorbell roasting me like it pays rent? What if it's spying on us all the time, even at night? Relax, bro. I wave at my toaster. It's just being polite.
Congrats. Your toaster and doorbell are both judging you.
Tell them I'm famous and very important, okay? Owner is not famous. Owner is tired and confused. Warning, this is your third pizza order today. Whoa, seriously? It knows our diet. This house is officially against us.
Woo! Best day ever!
Camera blocked. Judgment still active. Have a nice day.
Wait, what? Judgment?
Haha, still awesome!